Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit view only document on Google Sheets. Alright guys, as you can see that here I have view only document and I cannot edit this document. So I'm going to show you how you can edit the view only document. So first of all, you can tap on this three dots button. Then you're going to click on the share and export option and click on make a copy because we want to make a copy on our Google Drive. Then you can put the document title right here, and for example I'm going to name it view only, and after that we can click on this OK button. Then just wait for a moment. Okay, wait guys, it's still loading. Alright, now as you can see that I can edit this document. I'm going to add a text like this. And alright guys, that's how we can edit view only document on Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you, and thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.